Welcome to the new series where we are taking a look at each generation of modified golfs. Today we're looking at a Mk1 Cabby and a Mk1 GTI.
Got the Mk1 Clipper, which is a 1.8. I bought it September last year. I have always wanted a Mk1 Cabby of any kind. Like since I was a little girl, since I could walk, I've wanted one. So that's why. I bought it pretty much stock. There's a few modifications on it, but we've done most of the work on it. We recently lowered it, put it onto coilies, sorted out this, like just general bits and bobs on the paintwork and whatnot. But we've got a lot more in stock to get done. Spent a lot on it, more than I'd like to admit, but keeping it, because we're doing the work ourselves, keeping it minimal. I want it to be my car, so everything I want it done to it, so I'm going to mod it to how my personal preference.
Mine's the fuel injected GTI and it's running a 1.68 now. I've had mine for about 3 years and mine was completely standard. And I've always loved classic cars and I've always liked VWs. They've appealed to me because they're quick, nippy little go-karts really. So I've done air ride with 3P management, stainless steel exhaust all the way through, and then I've done a boot field. And just recently I put a carbon fibre splitter on it. Yeah. I reckon I've spent £6.5 grand. Too much.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's just an addiction. I just lowered it first and I thought, what could I do next? Did the exhaust, then bought the wheels, then air ride, and it's, yeah, just escalated. So that was the Mk1 Golfs, modded as hell. And really nice cars, really beautiful cars. This is what this series is basically just going to be. We're just going to be looking at a few of the generations in each video. So next month will be the Mark II. If you got a Mark II and you fancy being on the video, then contact me, either Twitter or Instagram. What did you think of the Mark Is? Is the Mark I your favourite? What would you go for? Yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, that's good. I'm going to move it down a bit.
Okay.
Is it recording?
Serious? No, not yet.
It's flashing a red circle.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Oh, did I press? Oh, I pressed record. Okay.
Go.
Yeah, I reckon. Well, no, welcome to the new series. I need a script, literally, just to read off. Why didn't I print one out or write one?
Just.
And I did, like, had it. Oh, for fuck's sake.
It is now.
Buff it out, please. Oh, for fuck's sake, man. I'll get you back.
You'll get me, I was going to say, I love the band, so.
It's recording, right?
Yeah.
So I'll just start, okay.
Just go.
Alright, welcome to the new, fuck's sake. There we go, that was the first take, we got that out and done with.
Stop telling me off.
Why did I bring you?
What? Do you want to do it? I don't want to do it.
Oh, it's his car, is it your car, Josh? Yeah?
It is, it's in my name.
Yeah, because you forced me to put it in your name.
Did you buy the car? How long have you owned it? That's the same question.
That's why there's a slash there.
Oh.
I'm like bang on in the middle of the camera.
Yeah, literally, you're fine.
Yeah?
Let me just go up a bit.
Alright.
Wait, hold on. Go.
This is going to take a while, so just like.
No, we're used to it with Alex, trust me.
Good.
What was it like the other day in DGT? It was like, it took about an hour for like a sentence. Honestly, don't worry.
Today on the series we have 2 Mk1 Golfs.
Well, no, because it's a modified, that's the whole point of the series.
Okay, so modified Mk1s.
So it's it's the new series we're featuring modified. Read out what I said, because I've lost it now, my brain's gone blank.
Do you want me to just fucking do it for you? Yeah?
Today we have a Mk1 GTI and a Mk1 Cabrio. Oh, there was too much of a gap there.
That's good, no, that's fine.
Jesus Christ.
Thank you. Just encouragement. Right, I'm going to stop this recording.